How to explore dashboard on forex.com. Are you guys facing issues to explore the dashboard on forex.com website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open browser on a laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the browser, search for forex.com dashboard. After logging into your forex.com account, you'll land on the dashboard, your main control center. At the top, you'll see account balance, available margin, profit and losses. Use the sidebar menu to navigate different sections like market, trade, charts report, and settings. Tap on market to view trading pairs like EURJPY, EURUSD. Use charts to analyze the market price movement with technical tools. The trade section is where you place buy or sell orders. An open position shows the active trades in reports. You can review your past transactions, profit loss summaries, and download statement. Explore account settings to update your profile, set risk limits, or enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Everything is designed to keep your trading experience smooth and informed. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.